This tutorial is disabling the Windows Update online completely for free. If you like what you see, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe to the channel for more. If you want to learn how I create content online and save hundreds of hours per year, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and enjoy the tutorial. Okay, so the first step for disabling Windows Update online completely for free is you want to go to the bottom left hand screen, and basically next to this start icon for Windows, you want to click here to type and search in the following: Windows space update space settings. And then we want to click this option or icon which says Windows Update Settings below, check for updates. Now there's a couple ways to disable or disabling the Windows Update online. As you can see, Windows Update, currently I have it paused, and if you don't have this option you can click right here, but in this case, as I said, I have it paused and I'm not going to resume it, and it will even tell you that your updates will resume at this date right here. And the next option is to scroll down under View Update History and click Advanced Options, and basically this way will disable or disabling Windows Update further than 7 days. As you can see, we can pause the updates. Temporary pauses will be not installed for up to 35 days, and it says when you reach this pause limit, your device will need to get new updates before you can again. So now if we click the drop down arrow, we can literally pause updates for up to 35 days. But if you want to disable it even further, you can go again to the bottom left hand screen and type in the following: run. And basically you want to type in this here on the screen, services.msc, and click OK. And basically what this will do, locate where it says app readiness, and you want to click W on your keyboard. And now you want to scroll down all the way to the bottom until you see the option where it says Windows Update. In this case, it's below Windows Time, at least for me. Right click and click Properties, and then under the General or the first tab, Startup Type. It's currently set to disabled because I've already disabled it in the previous tutorial, but yours might say manual or automatic. So you want to click Disabled, and then you want to click Apply, and then click OK. Now the bonus option, if you stay until the very end of the video, will disable or disabling Windows Update online even further. You want to go again to the bottom left hand screen and then type in run, and then type in this on here, reg edit. Click yes. Once opened up, you want to click the third option, H key local machine. Click the drop down arrow right here, and then now you want to click this option below security and above system where it says software, and again click here, the drop down arrow, and then now basically you want to scroll all the way down until you see the option Windows, which for me it's above WinRAR. Once selected and highlighted Windows, right click and click the second option New, and then click Key. And now you want to rename this and basically just type in Windows Update, and then right click Windows Update, again click the second option New and then Key, and type in the following AU and click Enter. And now you want to right click the AU and then click New and then Key. And then once the AU folder selected and highlighted, under here, right click and click New, and then click right here where it says DWord 32-bit value. And basically you want to type in the following: no auto update, and then click Enter. And make sure it looks like this, the following, no spaces. Double click on this and make sure that the value data is hexadecimal, and make sure instead of 0 it's 1, and then click OK. And now you have permanently disabled or disabling Windows Update online completely for free using these 3 methods. Per year creating content, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and thanks for watching this tutorial.